Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making this lovely wall hanging decor with the help of newspaper. So let's begin. So the things we'll be needing in newspaper: we need some color paper, green for leaves and any other color paper for flowers. We need white paper. We need two brushes, one thick brush for applying the glue and a thinner brush for painting, paint, scissors, and this homemade glue. Now starting by cutting this newspaper into some strips. We'll be cutting it into strips, then into small and large rectangular and square shapes. Like this rectangle and square shapes. Now I'll cut all of the strips into these pieces. Now taking this homemade glue, the link to the video will be in the description below. So I made it a bit thinner for applying the newspaper easier to the cardboard. Now taking in the cardboard. Now we'll be applying the glue. First wetting the newspaper so it's a bit more easier for applying the glue and sticking it. Now applying the glue on the cardboard and sticking the newspaper. So make sure you leave the newspaper a bit to hang so you can cover the edges with it. Gluing it. So I'll be back when I'm done with this. So see ya. So I am almost done with it now, completing the rest of the part. So you should make sure the newspaper is in few angles, diagonals, straight. For it to look a bit better, you should keep in different angles. Now that we are done, now we are gonna apply a coat of glue over it. Applying the coat of glue over it. Applying it on the edges as well. Till the newspaper dries, we will be making few flowers and leaves. Now first making the flower. We are gonna make flowers the same way we make for the flower top jar. First drawing the circle, and there will be a big difference on this. We will be drawing some bumps to look like petals of the flower. And now I'll be cutting it. I'm cutting it. Make sure that you're cutting these bumps so that it looks like petals. Now I'm done by cutting this yellow and white. Now to make it a flower, roll it inwards. Now doesn't it look great? Doesn't it look beautiful? Now applying some glue, the homemade glue. A drop is enough. Look at them, don't they look beautiful? Now be back when I'm done with more. Now we made a few flowers. Now let's make the leaf. Now making the leaves, first folding this rectangular strip of paper into half. Now I'm drawing those leaves in oval shape. I'll be drawing a large one and a small one. We need few large and small leaves for it to look good. Now cutting it. See, don't the leaf looks great. Now be back when I'm done with more. Now we got more leaves. The more leaves we have, the better it looks. So now let's begin with the gluing part. I got this few printouts of these birds. I have already cut them out. Now I'll be placing them and checking where would they look the best. Placing them right now. I think this one will look good at the top. And this one here. Okay, I'm done with placing. Now let's start with the gluing part. Now taking the homemade glue and gluing it. And make sure you don't apply the homemade glue over the birds, because since we are making it out of those homemade products, the glue won't be nice once it dry. just over the birds. Now placing the flowers and the leaves as well. Now done with the arrangement, now I'll be gluing them. Taking the homemade glue and applying a bit on the flower and gluing it onto the cardboard. Look at this, don't it look beautiful? Now for hanging it, let's first make 2 holes at 2 corners. Making the first one with the help of scissors. Always be careful while using very sharp objects. Now with the help of scissors, putting in the rope carefully. Now pulling the rope from the front and now putting it into the other hole with the help of scissors. Now pulling it and tying a knot from the behind. Then by tying the knot, make sure you stretch it so it's tight. Now pulling the rope from the front. And now it's done. Doesn't it look great? It's beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you all later. Bye.